Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Zara here as always, and today is going to be a wig review. So I got sent this wig from Niawigs. This is their headband wig, and honestly I'm telling you guys, I'm in love with this hair. It's actually so easy. No need for any wig glue, no need for any got to be, no need for any tying down, no mousse, no nothing. Literally you just put it on and head out the door. It's literally so convenient. So yeah, if you want to see how I installed this wig, not even installed, but like if you want to see how I put it on my head, because this wig does not need installing, that's what I'm saying. It's a 5-minute wig, get up and go. But if you want to see how I put it on, then make sure to watch the rest of this video. Okay, so you guys, this is going to be a part voiceover, part actual me talking video. Just because I haven't done one of those in a while. So I'm just showing you that I have my hair in big braids because protective styling and all that. And I'm just taking out the twists in the front because I'm gonna like style the front part of the wig, because obviously it doesn't have any lace, so I have to style it. So I'm taking out my twists, combing them out. There was one annoying tangle in my hair, like so annoying. I think I decided to do a middle part for this style, and instead of using hair gel, I decided to use my wax stick because I think there was already quite a lot of product in my hair from the style I had done before, and I just didn't want to, you know, put too much on my hair. So I'm just trying to make my parting a bit more straight. I think it was straight to start off with. I'm just messing it up here right now, but yeah. So using my wax stick, I'm just putting that all over by the parting and on my edges as well. And then I got my, I don't even know what to call that brush, but it's a really hard brush. Like, it slicks back your hair, like it slicks it back, trust me. And then I'm braiding that section off to the side just to hold it back, because I can't remember why I did this. I should have used like a hair elastic or something, but vibes, I didn't. So here I am braiding it. My roommate came into my room and she was talking about something, so obviously, like, you know, I'm gonna giggle in that. So yeah, I've done that one side, and now doing the other side, same thing with the wax stick, just going to slick it back.
She be my only queen, I'ma get too clean. Any other girl at me, I know, so she give me one too.
Okay, so now I'm just tying the hair back. I'm not really tying it back. I'm actually braiding it into one big braid at the back, just so the front can look really, really sleek. The wig cap isn't really necessary. I don't know why I did that. Okay, so now onto the wig. This is the box that the wig came in. It's really pretty purple box. Inside there was a pack of headbands, and you can really choose whatever headband pack you want. So there's a couple of options on their website. I think they have about 4 different headband packs. I chose the bandana one, as you guys saw. The wig came in a plastic bag, and obviously it had the hairnet over it and some tissue paper, would I say, on the inside. Literally the hair was so soft to touch at, like, straight out of the box. I don't know what that little white thing is right there, but yeah. So just showing you guys the wig construction. It's got, I think, 4 combs. So there's one in the front, there's 2 combs on the side. It has obviously the headband strap. It's a Velcro strap that you attach at the back of your head. I didn't show you guys this, but it also has some elastic straps to adjust the sizing, and then obviously the comb at the back that I just showed you guys now. So now I'm putting on the wig. It was quite easy to put on, to be honest. You just basically like any other wig that you're putting on, or like a hat. One thing I didn't like though was how forward it came up on my head, and I think that's just because the actual black headband that is attached to the wig is kind of wide. But that's not really a problem, because you can always, you know, push that back so it looks thinner, I guess. So I just had to push my wig cap back a bit, which really and truly I should have just taken it off because wig cap is really unnecessary. And then I just stuck the combs into my hair just to secure the wig. And you guys, let me tell you, once you put the combs into your hair, it is literally, that wig is not going anywhere. It's so secure. Like this is me putting the back comb in, and then I attempted, keyword attempt, to try and, you know, secure the actual headband on the wig. It was a bit difficult with the head down, so I decided to flip the hair over and then attach it that way. And that's what it looks like at the back. Liking it because like literally it's so easy to put on. Like I can wake up in the morning, messy hair, put this on and get going. No need for any, you know, melting of the lace, no need for any wiggly, no got to be, no nothing, just and out the door. So I really like it. And I'm pretty sure you can also like put it in a ponytail if you wanted to, and it wouldn't look bad. What would I say? It's quite fluffy, like it's soft and like fluffy. I don't know, I'm really enjoying this texture, and just like I love it. How do I look? I think I look cute. I love the texture match. Like, can you tell that this is not my hair? You can't. Okay, and I just decided to straighten the hair out a little bit because like I said, it was quite fluffy, and I don't know, I just wanted a kind of sleek look. Like you guys can see how well the hair is straightening. Like it is so easy to straighten, and it comes out looking so silky. How silky that is, can you see? Compared to like, obviously this part is kinkier. It still flows, but like, do you see? Obviously, as it's kinky hair, it's not gonna straighten to be like, you know, silky straight hair, but it does straighten to be quite silky. And there's still a bit of the texture left in, so you know, obviously you can still have that texture match. So yeah, I just basically straightened the rest of the hair, and I'm not really gonna talk through this because there's no reason, so I'm gonna leave you guys to watch me do that.
Yeah, you know that body really be more like that. She be my only queen, I'ma get too clean. Any other girl out me, I know, see she give me 1, 2, 3, I give her 4, 5, 6. Any other girl out me, I know, see she be my only queen. Any other girl out me, I know, see she give me 1, 2, 3, I give her 4, 5, 6. Oh baby, I make you, I make you, I make you, I know. I make you cause I'm over.
I've straightened the hair. This is what it looks like. It feels really silky, and I haven't even added any product in it at all. I literally can't stop running my hair. I said my hair. I literally can't stop running my hands through this hair. Like, it's that soft. The wig did come with a set of headbands. So it came with 4 headbands. So I'm just gonna try those on for you guys. So this is the red headband. I really like this one. It's quite cute. It kind of has like this twisty design in the front. That's what it looks like. For the second style, I decided to do like a half up, half down type of look. So I was just combing up the top half, and really and truly you can do whatever you want with this. You can do a half up, half down. You can leave it down. You can even put it in a ponytail if you want to. That's the second headband. It's a really blue one. I said a really blue one. It's just a blue headband. Oh my gosh. I think the headband pack I chose was the ones that look like bandanas, and I don't know why. I feel like I wear more bandanas than like patterned headbands, like actual headbands. So I thought this might suit my style more. I don't really wear headbands that often, but like this wig changed my mind. I think I'm gonna start wearing them now. That's all the 4 headbands. I like it. So you guys let me know what you think. This hair is in the Yaki texture, a natural black. It's 22 inches. Let me actually show you guys how long it is, because it's quite long. I am 5'5.5", and I've got quite big boobs. So for the fact that it comes down to my waist, that's something. But the back, it comes just right above my bum. That is the wig. All the links will be in the description. All the information on this hair I will leave in the description box for you guys. I hope you guys like this. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.